eduTinker gives you the option of creating tests within the app. Give your test a unique title, a topic or chapter name, and a brief description for your students. You can not only attach a question paper by tapping on Attach Files, but also create question paper within the app. You can select the type of question you want within the options. You can now write down your answers as option 1 and option 2. In case of more answers required, you can tap on Add Option button. Choose the correct option by tapping on the empty white circle, give your question the allotted marks, and choose a difficulty level. Add more and varied question by tapping on Add Question option. Tap on Save once the question paper is ready. Now give your test a date. Select the appropriate time. And also allot a time period for the test. You can also select the education board. Tap on Create Test, and now the details of your scheduled test will reach all your students. By tapping on the option Completed and then View Submissions, you will see the list of all the students who have completed and submitted the test. You can now check their tests, leave a voice feedback, or a written comment. In the end, you will again get the option of leaving your feedback as written remarks or sharing them via a voice note. Click on the option marked Checked, and all your feedback along with the checked paper will reach back to your students.